The silver tinsel of Christmas in the Sanchez family's living room. Silver tinsel had covered their Christmas tree for years. But when the playful cat and dog knocked the tree down, the tinsel broke apart. Sanjo, the youngest of three siblings, mended the tinsel, added trinkets, and brought sparkle back to the family's Christmas. One tinsel, one boy, a very shining Christmas. In the Sanchez home, Christmas was always magical. The silver tinsel had covered their tree for many years. It shimmered like moonlight, sparkling with ornaments and laughter. Sanjo, the youngest of the siblings, loved to sit by the tree. He was young, cute, and full of giggles, with curious eyes and a heart that jingled like bells. One evening, the cat chased the dog across the living room. The dog barked. The cat leapt. Crash! The Christmas tree toppled over. The silver tinsel tore apart. Ornaments rolled across the floor. Sanjo gasped. "Oh no, our Christmas sparkle," he whispered. Sanjo picked up the broken tinsel. He smiled bravely. "I'll fix it," he said, with careful hands. He mended the strands. He added trinkets, bells, ribbons, and stars. The tree sparkled brighter than ever. Children clapped. Parents laughed. The cat and dog curled up by the fire. Sanjo giggled louder, his sparkle lighting the room. Finally, the tree stood tall again. The silver tinsel shimmered whole. The family declared, "Let joy be mended." From then on, the Sanchez family celebrated Tinsel Day, where children decorate trees, mend ornaments, and laugh until the stars twinkle. And Sanjo, still giggly, still brave, still the sparkle of Christmas cheer, again. Let's rhyme with Sanjo. In the Sanchez home, where snowflakes fall, the silver tinsel had covered all. The cat and dog made the tree fall down, but Sanjo's bright smile erased the frown. He mended the strands with trinkets sweet. The Christmas tree was now complete. Now every year, they dance and sing. At Tinsel Day, joy takes wing. Words of the day from the learning section. Before we end our story, let's learn 5 words of the day together. Repeat after me and let's giggle while we learn. Tinsel. Say tinsel. Your turn. Silver. Say silver. Your turn. Trinkets. Say trinkets. Your turn. Smile. Say smile. Your turn. Hands. Say hands. Your turn. Wonderful! You've learned 5 new words today. Just like Sanjo in the Sanchez family's silver tinsel, your giggles can light up Christmas. Let your kindness be a daily sunrise, rising quietly, shining gently, and warming every heart it touches. Let's spread a dash of kindness every day. Have a very Merry Christmas. Please subscribe to the J channel for kids. Thank you.